I know most of you start asking yourself, if I start using retinol now, when will I start seeing the effect on my skin? So you guys, if you want to know why you have to start using retinol and this video is for you have to keep on watching. Hey my loves, welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss Jovu. If you're new to my channel, welcome darling. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video, according to the title, we are going to be talking about retinol and how to use retinol, how to incorporate retinol in your skincare routine. So far I'm loving it on my skin and it's a gradual process. So if this is what you're interested in, then you must definitely keep on watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to family and friends, and subscribe so I post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hey guys, this is the retinol I've been using recently and I want you guys to start using retinol because I know most of you are scared of retinol. Only the name is even freaking some people out. Came by Zaron 1% retinol serum, and you guys, this is very important. Add retinol to your skincare routine if you're not using retinol in 2023. I'm going to read the description here so you have an idea of what retinol is. 1% retinol serum, a gentle and effective retinol formulation that is safe for daily use and is guaranteed to fight skin signs, wrinkles, fine lines, dehydration, enlarged pores, hyperpigmentation, and acne, leaving the skin with a more smooth texture and radiance. Contain hyaluronic acid and ceramides to help hydrate and restore the skin's natural barrier for smoother, firmer looking skin. Directions for use: apply in small dots to needed areas on the face, then gently smooth it to evenly absorb into the skin. Be sure to use SPF daily when using this product. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Visible effect can be seen after 3 months of use. Advised to be used at night. So I'm going to be reviewing this Skin by Zaron 1% retinol serum because that's what I'm using, and also my mom, she's using this as well. So like it's written here, it's for anti-aging, hyperpigmentation, clear dark spots, smoothing the skin, and it also reduce wrinkles. You want to be looking good, you want your skin to look healthy and radiant and all the goody, then start using retinol. You guys know I've also reviewed Skin by Zaron vitamin C serum, so go check the video out. Okay, I reviewed it in Russia vitamin C serum because those are the products I'm using. I always tell you guys what I'm using and share with you guys my insight about it. So retinol is very important and it's advisable to use it at night. Don't use it in the daytime. Okay, so I use this at night. I don't use it every day. I just use 1 to 2 times in a week. I don't use it every day. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 dots on my face and I'm literally good to go. I just apply it on those areas I have hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and all the rest, and I just go in with that. So that is just my routine. I'm going to show you guys a video of me using this product on my face so you know what I'm talking about. Texture of the retinol, I'm going to apply it right here so you see how it is. I'm just going to put like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can see how my hand is. I'm just going to show you guys. Apply this on a moist skin. If you have any area on your body that was caused as a result of using harsh product on your skin, then start repairing your skin. Start using product that is going to help repair your skin. You guys can see my hand. There is a lot of difference in my fingers. You can see that my knuckles is gradually clearing. So everything is a gradual process. Start repairing my hand and start using moisturizing products on my hand, and that has been helping me so far with my hand. Really have the look cute, baby. So you not go out and face is looking fine and good, but then other parts of your body is not looking nice. So now you guys can see it has absorbed into my skin. Don't use retinol in the morning. So the benefits are written right here. It actually contains hyaluronic acid. So when we Google it online, I'm going to Google it online so you guys will know that you can actually do research on the skincare products you want to use. Watch video, if possible pay for consultation with dermatologists to recommend good products for you, or you personally do research for yourself, and that way you'll be able to know what's good for your skin. So when I search benefits of retinol, it's written that retinol increases skin cell production, that's proliferation, helps unclog pores. Retinol also exfoliates your skin and increases collagen production, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. giving your skin a fresher, plump appearance. These are questions people ask. Is it okay to use retinol every night? It is safe to use retinol every day. For most people, yes. Once your skin is used to it, that's it. There are some people who may not want to use it frequently or at all. True. What happens if you use retinol every day? So if you start using retinol every day out of the gate, you can end up with some painful inflammation and a damaged skin barrier. True. Negating any potential positive. One way to avoid this irritation is to start slow. Just incorporate it in your skin gradually. At what age should I start using retinol? In your 20s. Reason: what age is recommended to start using retinol? There are no set rules on how old you should be to use retinol. For anti-aging purposes, you can start preventively in your 20s. Okay? Why over-the-counter retinol can help with mild acne, many people with breakouts will need a prescription. What not to mix with retinol? Don't mix retinol with vitamin C serum. Benzenoid or AHA and BHA acid are exfoliating, which can dry out the skin and cause further irritation if your skin routine already includes retinol. If you're using retinol at night, you not go into your vitamin C serum. Then in the morning, you go into your vitamin C serum. It's not advisable to use retinol and vitamin C serum together. Side effects of using retinol may include irritation, redness, burning, itching, dry skin, flaking and peeling of the skin, skin cancer, increased sensitivity to the sun. Yes, that is why it's advisable to use retinol only at night, because when you use it in the morning, it attracts UV rays, so you have to be careful. And when you use it at night, in the morning, you go into your vitamin C serum, apply it, then use the sunscreen. Don't forget to use the sunscreen. It has quite a lot of benefits on the skin. So you guys, start using retinol, okay? Don't use it together with whitecast or any of that. Don't use it with vitamin C serum like it's written here. Benzoyl peroxide and AHA or BHA acids, okay? So you guys, I hope this video is helpful to each and every one of you. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe, turn your post notification on so you will not miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.